Hello, guys. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading, and we're back with another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how we trade using price structure to grow small accounts like the one right here, where we grew an account from 2,000 Rand to over 15,000 Rand. So let's get into the charts quickly. So, guys, here we are on the Euro USD weekly time frame, right? So let me just explain to you guys. We do trade supply and demand and price structure, and we are swing traders, right? So let's just get into the video quickly. So first of all, by looking here, we understand that we are in a downtrend based on the weekly time frame, right? So why do I say that? Well, as you can see, price has been giving us consistent lower lows and lower highs. So if you're a price structure trader, that is what you need to keep a lookout for, right? So price gave us a lower high here, right? Price gave us a lower high here, and then price gave us a lower high right there also. Sorry, right there, right? So now, as a price structure trader, every time price gives you a lower high in terms of a downtrend, then you will be trading based on that lower high. That's where we find our supply and demand zones, right? So this was our last lower high that we got before we decided to take our trade. So as you can see, that is a lower high and a lower low right here. So now we know that price is giving us consistent lower highs and lower lows, right? So this was the last lower low that it gave us. So what do we then do when this happens? Well, we just simply draw our supply zone based on that lower high that price gives us, and then we wait for price to then give us a test of that zone. And as you can see right here, that is where price gave us a test of that previous high. So now that is where you will be entering yourselves as a price structure trader, right? You will be entering at the test of that previous high, and then after entering, you will then wait for price to then give us a new lower high, and then when price does that, that's where we will be entering another sell, right? So now I'm sure you're wondering, but then how do we enter, right? Since price did test that zone that the previous lower high gave us, now what we do is, because this is the higher time frame, we need to refine our trades and enter on a smaller time frame in order for us to have a tight stop loss and not risk too much of our account. So we will just go to a smaller time frame, right? As you can see, the red arrow is pointing at the price, at the zone that was tested, aka the previous lower high that price gave us in our higher time frame downtrend, right? So what do we do now, right? So according to our strategy that my team and I use, we will wait for a strong break of previous structure, which is this break right here, this huge move of large bearish candles broke all these higher lows and higher highs. So it cleared them, showing us that the big boys are indeed deciding to take the markets down. So we are now in a bearish um um in a bearish market, right? So after price does this and gives us our impulse move, clearing all previous structures, we now wait for price to test that, and then also that's where we will be entering ourselves, right? Also notice that price broke all our EMAs in the process of it clearing previous price structure, right? So that also is more reason, the correct term is confluence for us to indeed enter sell trades. And this is exactly where we entered our sell trades, based on the retest of that break of previous structure, and then we just entered our trades, and now we're just holding those trades. We've been holding the trades for 2 days now, and we were able to grow our account from 2,000 Rand to over 15,000 Rand, close to 16,000 Rand, using our price structure strategy. So let's recap the rules. We wait for price to give us a series of lower lows and lower highs, or higher highs and high lows, depending on what the market gives us, to just identify the higher time frame trend. Once we get that, we just focus on the lower highs in terms of a downtrend, right? Like here, we're focusing on the lower highs. That is where we will be waiting for our retests. And then once we find our retest at the zones that are provided at those lower highs, we then scroll to the H4 to refine our entries, and then we enter our trade. So that is how we use price structure in our strategy. And yeah, basically my team and I trade this way, and this is how we grow small accounts. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section. And if you do want to join the White Collar Forex Academy family, you can just find the link to our website in the description box below. And if you do want to follow me on my socials to ask any questions, or to just interact with me and get more forex tips, I will link my Facebook profile in the description box, and I'll also just put a screenshot of my Facebook account on the video. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading. Once again, I'm out.